Good morning, students. I welcome you in my YouTube channel CQ, means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4, simple equation. Number 1 is, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Number 1, part A is x minus 1 equal to 0. In this equation, there are two parts, left hand side part and right hand side part. In that left hand side part, it is x minus 1 is given, and in right hand side it is 0. So first we are going to write what is given. Given x minus 1 equal to 0. In this particular equation, it is minus 1 and the variable is x. We want to separate a variable from this equation. We add plus 1 in both sides of this equation. Why it is 1? Because 1 is given, and why we add? Because it is subtracted from the x. 1 is subtracted from the x. That's why we are going to add plus 1 in both the sides. We are writing like this: on plus 1 in both sides of the equation. It shows is equal to 0 plus 1. So after adding, it looks like this. It is x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. In this part, minus 1 is cancelled with the plus 1. It means nothing is here. Only the variable is left. So we are writing like this. It is x equal to, because minus 1 is cancelled with the plus 1. And it is on right hand side, it is 0 plus 1 gives you the 1. So for the variable, we have x equal to 1. This is. Now we are going to solve the b part of this question, x plus 1 equal to 0. So first we write given. This is 1 equal to 0, and in this equation, what we do here, the plus sign is there, so we are using the opposite sign of plus, that is minus, and the 1 is given, so we use the same number 1 here. How we write this? On subtracting 1 from both sides of equation. So the equation looks like this. It is x plus 1, and subtracting 1 means minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Same as we solved in our first case, it is cancelled. Plus 1 is cancelled with the minus 1. So what remain here? It is x, and x is equal to 0 minus 1 gives you the minus 1. So this time variable x is equal to minus 1. This is the solution of this equation. Okay. Now we are going to solve the c part of this question, that is x minus 1 equal to 5. This is given x minus 1 equal to 5. In this equation, the left hand side part is having minus 1. It means 1 is subtracted from the x. Opposite sign of minus is plus, and the number 1 is given in this equation, so we are using the 1 as it is. After writing given, we are adding 1 in both sides of equation. So equation looks like this. It is x minus 1, and this is adding 1. Adding 1 means plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Again, it is minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so the answer is 0. And what is remain here? It is x. X equal to, on the right hand side of this equation, 5 plus 1 gives you the 6. So the answer is x equal to 6. Now this is d part, x plus 6 equal to 2. In this question, left hand side part is having x plus 6, and in right hand side 2 is there. this part is same as we solve the part A, B and C. So try to solve this part by yourself. Now this is E part, y minus 4 equal to minus 7. So first we write given. As we see here in the left hand side part, it is y minus 4. It means 4 is subtracted from the y. So we are using here the plus sign and the same number 4 in both the sides of this equation. On adding 4 in both sides of the equation. So equation looks like this. Y minus 4 and adding 4, it means plus 4 in both sides of equation. It means it is minus 7 and plus 4. So the equation is y minus 4 plus 4 equal to minus 7 plus 4. Here minus 4 is cancelled with the plus 4. So in left hand side only y is remain there. It is equal to minus 7 plus 4. It is minus 4 is cancelled with the plus 4, and in the right hand side part it is minus 7 and plus 4. So the sign chemistry gives you minus plus gives you the, what we do, we subtract the 4 from the 7. So the 3's remain. So we write here 3 and sign of greater number, it means the greater number is 7 and the sign of 7 is minus. So the minus sign comes with this 3. So final answer is, now the part F, y minus 4 equal to 4, part G, y plus 4 equal to 4 and part H, y plus 4 equal to minus 4. All these three parts you try to solve by yourself.